everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Very excited to showcase today another one of our amazing Defender 110s. Project that you can see here in a Keswick green with black accents. Absolutely stunning. Best of all, this vehicle is available for sale right now. 20-inch can wheels in there. Of course, very well appointed with tubular side steps in here, a full external roll cage from Safety Devices, metal hardware outside. Now, as you come in the back here, you will see that we also have a real access ladder. We have a couple of Hella mini light bars in tinted finish. Back here, you will notice also our North American spec bumper with parking sensors, trailer plug, backup camera, a universal hitch receiver as well. As you open the rear door, you'll see, of course, we have 2 and 2 and 4 configuration out here. At the moment, I'm showing 2 seats all folded up. And of course, this one's down with this pedestal to put them in place very nicely. Also has this natural oak wood paneling, give it a little bit more of an accent in there to complete the look. Again, a combination of traditional and also modern Defender design cues as well. Under the hood, this car, of course, it's got an amazing GM V8 engine. Pop the hood in here. I think the details, you see the Sunsport grille, the bumper with daylight running lights, and also heavy duty steering guard down there. We have this amazing LT1 455 horsepower engine. The battery sits under the driver's side seat, but we also put this custom terminals in here. If for some reason you get a flat battery, you can actually jump start the vehicle from there. Also, all of our cars are built in with a trickle charger incorporated with the car. So if you leave it for more than a couple of days or so, you go on vacation, all you got to do is plug that to an extension cord to your 110 outlet on the wall, and then you'll be all good to go. Now, inside the cabin, which is very comfortable, cargo 12-cat seats. You see very traditional horizontal bars in here as well in granite leather. Looks very nice, and also nice little touch in here. We've got a color to match the exterior radio panel. We have an air ride suspension with this car, which can allow you to raise the vehicle a couple of inches, lower it a couple of inches if need be. And also, if you want something more specific, it comes with a remote control in which you can lower the vehicle and raise it as well. Also lower the cargo area if you wish, or do something more precise and specific as you see fit. Of course, the car is very well appointed with a Momo prototypo black leather steering wheel. We have metal accents all throughout the door cards. You will also find it in the middle row. Same hardware, of course. You will notice our custom seat brackets down below in the middle row. They also match the exterior color. A very nice touch in there indeed. Also, we've got independent secondary AC unit for the back, which you can operate from this knob over here. You have power window controls down here, and also a couple of USB outlets, A and C, for your convenience. So overall, I mean, this is a really well equipped Defender 110. Has, of course, all the comforts. This vehicle is available for sale. If you have any questions, you know where to find us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. In the meantime, again, look forward to presenting more exciting products like this one for you all, and bye for now.